YouTube, what's going on, you guys? Today I got something pretty crazy lined up for you guys. We're about to go meet my client. He's been wolfing for like maybe 2-3 years. Look at this wolf. Let me see that hair. What's up, G? Let me see the hair. Let me see, do a little 360 for me, bro. My God. How long you been growing this shit out for?
A year now.
Let me see, go put your hair up. We chopping this shit?
Chopping it, bro.
Everything? Let's go. Let's walk into the dungeon, bro. Try to make yourself look as ugly as possible, bro. You're like, that shit'd be so hard. What we doing with this?
So I was thinking I have like a reference right here, like a blowout taper kind of ish, but I do want to take a good amount off the top.
Jeez. You want to keep the back too like that, like a mullet style, or you want to taper the back too?
Yeah, we'll taper the back too.
So you want to do a blowout? How much of this do you want to chop off? Especially because this is disconnected on the side right here.
That is
so yeah, so it's disconnected.
You think we should chop that back off to put the low taper on the back?
We can. So it just depends how you're gonna style it.
I was thinking that blowout taper, bro, but then yeah, I didn't think about it being disconnected on the back. So we should chop the back off, I think, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you're going for that look exactly, bro, like you don't got the curly hair.
Right.
You get what I mean? Like
yeah,
it's not gonna flow like that. Your hair is already naturally going backwards. I was thinking going more like modern, bro, like keeping the most of the length and stuff,
okay.
and doing like some curtains and shit, like
bro,
like a 70-30 type shit.
I'm down,
and working with your little cowlick right here, and just keeping some of the length, because that I feel like we're gonna chop off a lot. And they're gonna hate me, bro. I can't. I have to conserve some of this hair.
Let's do it.
But as far as length goes, bro,
I just don't want like it blocking my view type.
Like you want it above the eyebrow.
Above the eyebrow.
Above the eyebrow.
Yeah.
All right, bet. pretty simple. Your whole ear and shit. Sheesh, my guy. You lost like 20 pounds, bro.
For real, bro.
How do you feel? How do you feel, bro? You ready to fucking have a kid and get back in the game?
I'm ready to get married, bro.